now I have lipstick on my hand. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brook, and today I'm very excited to share something really super awesome special with you. I have a box. I have recently become a Younique beauty products presenter, which means I will be selling makeup to all of you, any of you, your friends, your family, anybody that you want to point in my direction, because this makeup is really awesome, really legit. You guys don't understand how excited I am to be a part of this. I have been wanting to do this for like 3 years now, and I've finally gotten to the decision where I can, and now I'm gonna unbox my presenter kit for you. I've already knifed it, and show you all the cool stuff that I have currently to share with you. And then at the end of the video, I will direct you towards my store so that you can browse and check things out and place some orders if you feel like it, but hey, no pressure. Now let's just see what's inside of this box. This is heavy. Look how cool this box looks. It's a legit box. This is a nice box. I'm gonna use this box. The first thing is Moodstruck Epic Mascara. Oh, and it's waterproof. Oh my god, it's so hard to find waterproof mascara. I hate every mascara that I try from the freaking drugstore. And then this one really gives you length, really gives you extra lashes. This one is the Moodstruck Epic 4D. It's got fibers in it, so any of you who know about the fibers, they're little black fibers inside of the mascara, and you put it on and it puts them on your lashes and it makes them longer. I've tried a different fiber mascara before and it was my favorite thing, but it was one of those little samples, so it didn't last very long and I was very sad when it was gone. And now I got a whole freaking tube of it. Hold on, I'm wet. Why do I have two? Two? I'm sorry, excuse me? Is this two? 1, 2? Okay, you say waterproof black. What are you? It doesn't say waterproof black, but it says Moodstruck Epic Mascara. What's that mean? Maybe it's like primer or something. Maybe this one's not waterproof. It's not primer. This one must be the washable, while the other one is the waterproof. I didn't even know that was happening. I'm so stoked right now. This is freaking awesome. It's a good day. What's this? Moodstruck Esteem Lash Serum. I'm also excited about this. This is supposed to help grow back, not grow back, but like fill in your lashes. I'm really excited to try this and see if it works, even though my lashes are pretty awesome already. Next step. Oh wait, is there anything underneath here? No, it's just box. Okay, I got a little too excited, alright? Okay. Ooh, almost dropped the box. Oh, look at that pretty paper. And we have information. Nice. Wait, what is this? Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation. Touch Glorious Face Primer. What? Whoa! Look at this. Look at all of the options. I'm gonna find my true color. Finally. I may be quiet, but I am screaming inside. One of these is my face. One of these is my face. One of these is your face. These are our face. Oh my goodness. What do we have? Where do we be? Okay, it's in a clear bag, so we're going with this one. A foundation brush. There's a hole in the middle of this brush, and I can only assume that it holds onto the foundation as you move it around. Wow, these bristles are really soft. Oh my gosh. That's very nice. Oh, we got another brush. Ooh, this is an eyeshadow brush. It's got an angle. And a nice little soft shady shade. These are soft. Oh my gosh, these are soft bristles. That is a thick, would be good for under eye shadow lining. A brightening mask that helps to brighten any dark spots that you have on your face from like the sun, or but yeah, if you go out in the sun a lot and you have dark spots, this will help lighten those spots, so that's fun. Ooh, oil control mask. That's me, because I eat sugary foods, or I eat dairy. Oh yes. An exfoliating mask. If you guys know what's good for you, you exfoliate, because it is super important to clean off all those dead skin cells. Ooh, rose water. I know people spray this on their faces, but I honestly don't know why I don't. A toner. I'm like the worst makeup person. Oh, comes in this little bottle, and you get a little spritzy thing to go with it, so you can go. Liquid makeup remover. Ooh. It's like a lava lamp. It is like a freaking lava lamp. I'm distracted easily. Look at it. I don't know what is happening right now, but it's a magical thing. Shake well before use. Should I shake it? Yeah. Now it's just lavender. Oh, it's slowly separating. Okay, moving on. Powder luminizer. So, ooh, that's very pretty. Next we have face primer. A whole thing of face primers. I was excited about these face primers. Look at this. This is an amount of face primer. Oh, this is an amount of face primer. Awesome. That's a bunch of face primer. I'm gonna go off with the makeup. My face is gonna go starbound. Cleansing stick. What is a cleansing stick? What does that mean? What are you? There's a lid inside of a lid. I don't know. It kind of smells like soap. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, guys. I don't know. My brain is confused. Do I wet my face and put this on my face and clean my face? Is it like a stick of soap? My world is expanding. All right, we have 4 products left. We got some liquid lipstick. See, those letters are cut out. There's the color. Oh my god, it's thick. It's not a thin sticky, it's like a thick matte. Yeah, it's like a thick matte. Now I have lipstick on my hand. You know what, we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it. But I can't feel it on my hand, so it's not like sticky. Like when you feel like you have something on you. It feels really smooth. Okay, we'll see how my mouth feels about that. What is this? Oh, a lipstick. Moodstruck Opulence lipstick. Oh, it's pink. It's very pink. See, that's a nice color. Okay, now this is more what I'm used to. Like, this is what I expected the first liquid lipstick to do. This one is a thinner coat, and it's way pinker. This was the liquid lipstick, which is really thick, and this was the stick lipstick, which is thinner and it's pink. I'm really excited to try this one, but that's because I don't wear pink. Dude, this is freaking sweet. Ooh, pencil eyeliner. Moodstruck Precision pencil eyeliner. I will just draw it on my hand. Ooh, very smooth. Very smooth, very cream, very dark. Right there. And finally, we have an eyeshadow palette. Look at those. Those are some nice, like, neutral colors. This is a white shimmery. Well, it's more like a beige shimmery, a light brown, a darker brown. This is a golden shimmer which pretty much just is, oh, it's a really nice shimmer. This is a gray shimmer, and then a light blue and a darker blue. Yeah, like basically this is two eyes, a smoky brown and a smoky blue. And then you would use this one for up by your brow bone. That's what I get from this. Sweet. All right guys, so that's what I got in my Younique presenter kit. And I will be coming at you soon with a demonstration so that you guys can see what the makeup looks like when it's on. And yeah, I'm wiping eyeshadow all over my pants. If you liked any of this or you're interested in any of this, leave a comment down below. I will leave a link to my website. You know what? I'm gonna put it right here. So right there. Type that in to your search bar and it should take you to my store and it'll say you are shopping with Summer, and you can browse whatever and see what's up and place some orders if you're feeling a little frisky, and I will appreciate that. If you watched this video to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate you giving me a shot. And if you know anybody who is into makeup, who would really like awesome makeup, like I'm serious, this stuff is really awesome. I know I haven't tried it yet, but I've been watching this company for years. I am so excited to be a part of this now. If you know anybody who's also into makeup, which I'm sure all of you do, I'm sure many of you know people who are into makeup. Oh, now I have lipstick on my hand. Just, you know, share this video on your social sites. Yeah, share this video. That's really how the word will spread, and that's how the makeup will spread, and that's how we will all have fun, make ourselves superficially beautiful. Because you work on your beauty on the inside, and then you display your personality on the outside. So yeah, hit me up if you are down to get some of this sweet makeup. I need to go wash my hands and my arms, so I'll see you guys in the next video.